This is the most dangerous food on the planet right now. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. This little food here is banned right now. It is totally illegal. I don't think you can get them anywhere. I rushed out to get this because I thought people would be very curious about this. This is one of the brands that put these out. It's called PAQUI, and it's the one chip challenge. And basically what happens here is that you get one chip, one potato chip, or tortilla chip or corn chip or something like that, that is doused in some of the hottest seasonings imaginable. And what actually ended up happening here recently is, unfortunately, a kid passed away. Now, I actually was at a conference once with someone who actually got a phone call from their high school nurse. She had to go pick up her son from school because he did the one chip challenge, got very sick, was throwing up, blah, blah. And I guess he was lucky that that's the only thing that happened to him, because apparently, like I said, someone just passed away. So if we open this up, it's in this little coffin-like box. And there goes the chip. Real peppers, real heat. That's what it says. And you get one chip. And looks like one chip here wrapped in plastic. And I thought we would just take a look because I'm sure you are curious what this looks like. Ooh, look at this. All right. First of all, looks like this has been sitting around a long time because it is totally green. And it looks like a giant Dorito. And, okay. It smells awful, and it smells hot. As soon as I took a little whiff of that, I felt like I kind of got maced a little bit, like you just got hit with a little pepper spray. So, would I eat this chip? No way I wouldn't. Would I take a bite of this chip? Maybe, but given the... oh, man. This thing is like wafting a scent right up to my nose here that is not pleasant. But I don't like spicy food to begin with. I find that like spicy mayo or spicy tuna doesn't make me feel good. So throwing on some of the hottest peppers in the world onto a chip and eat the whole thing, I think is just asking for punishment. I was even thinking about eating it, and I brought down some bottled water here so that I could go ahead and put out them flames in my mouth should I do it. But this thing, just the smell of it is kind of making me feel pretty gross. So, spoiler alert here, the reveal is I am going to go ahead and pass on that. But I just wanted to give you a little tour of the one chip challenge here, which can actually be very deadly and irresponsible to do. So if you do it, I don't think you're any more of a man or a tough guy. I just think you might be a glutton for punishment. And in fact, they have a warning here on the back, which basically says, if you are anything like alive, don't eat this because this will give you fainting and nausea or medical emergencies. But I will say something like this, I think was a really good business venture for a while. You're selling one chip for like 25 bucks. Yeah, you were probably making a ton of money. Anyway, they're dangerous. They'll make you sick. They could kill you. Stay away from them. PAQUI, one chip challenge. I don't think it's worth it. What do you think? That's it for today. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter.